All right, we are back. Another weekly vegan meal ideas video for you guys where we show you our groceries trip and our meal plan for the week and how we accomplish it. And of course, recipes will be in the description like always. So if you're interested in that, click that like button, click the subscribe button, and go to the playlist where you can see all of our videos. But our first meal is going to be Ethiopian lentils and spiced cabbage in the Instapot. Alright, here's our Ethiopian lentils and spiced cabbage with the, what's on top? The sun-dried tomatoes?
No, or just like spiced onions.
Oh, spiced onions, okay. Beautiful. Correct?
Yep.
Alright, how do we accomplish it in Instapot?
So this one, there's actually 3 different layers. So first is the lentil layer.
Yep, biggest
Cooking
piece.
the lentils in the Instant Pot. And then we have these little inserts that fit over top of it. In one will be some cabbage, tomato, jalapeno, garlic, ginger. And then in the top one will be some onion.
Nice.
And we'll serve it over top of rice.
Pretty simple, but really one of my favorite ones. I love African dishes, and this is certainly one of the ones that I do love. Awesome. Well, we will see you here in a moment for meal number 2. All right, meal number 2 is going to be sun-dried tomato chickpea burgers with potato salad. Ooh, look at that thick burger. Boom. It's like a Krabby Patty. Ooh. This is a Labor Day meal for us. Whoop, whoop. So we figured we would have it Americanized and have some burgers. But on this channel, we do not do fake meats, tofu, salads, or processed foods. Took me a second to remember everything.
We don't count potato salad as
yeah, and we don't count potato salad as a salad because there's actual calories. So with that being said, this will not be a Beyond Burger. Okay, this is gonna be homemade vegan burgers. All right, so pay attention.
Whoa.
You can do it. It's not that difficult. All right, let's hear it. How do we accomplish it?
Okay, so
Along with the recipe.
Yes, this one is going to be a couple different things going on. So first are the burger portions of it. We're going to be chickpeas and
sun-dried tomatoes.
Sun-dried tomatoes, as the name suggests, with some fresh herbs in there, including parsley and basil, some chopped onion, and tahini will be our burgers. On top of the burgers, we're going to do sliced red onion and tomato, and we're going to be making a garlic dill sauce made from hummus, garlic, and some fresh lemon juice as well to go over top the burgers. And the potato salad will be made from these little cute little baby potatoes, multicolored.
Yep.
Some chives, jalapeno, and a tahini based sauce as well.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of a lot going on.
A little bit of a lot.
But it sounds more complicated than it is. And I am excited for it, to be honest with you.
Should be very fun.
Yes, indeed. All right, awesome. We will see you momentarily for meal number 3. All right, meal number 3 is Cauliflower Alfredo. All right, here's the Cauliflower Alfredo. Beautiful. I have a feeling that this is going to be cauliflower and Alfredo.
Sick. Yes. I mean,
Using cashews as the Alfredo sauce, and as well as some cannellini beans. It's gonna be a high protein sauce. All right. I'll let Chrissy take it from there.
Because the beans will actually throw in with the noodles. They won't be part of the sauce.
Oh, okay.
Good guess.
Good guess.
The sauce will be cauliflower, zucchini,
I see.
and cashew based.
Okay.
We've got our linguine made from chickpeas to get some extra protein in there. And then cooked along with the noodles are going to be some red onions, some garlic, and some mushrooms. And then we'll throw in some cannellini beans at the end, as well as probably some frozen peas. Somewhere the wine comes in. I think it's in the sauce.
Some Pinot Grigio.
Pinot Grigio.
Grigio.
Yep.
Oh, okay. All right, awesome. Well, you guys have already seen the presentation. And if we have posted it, that means that it was good and a successful meal. Okay? So give it a try. Recipe in the description. We will see you here momentarily for meal number 4. Alright, meal number 4 for us this week is going to be Chipotle Portobello Mushroom Tacos. Oh yeah, it's a Chipotle Portobello Taco Bowl. It's got some mushrooms, peppers, those refried beans, baby! Sitting on rice. Lovely. Which we absolutely love tacos, but probably prefer taco bowls, which I'm assuming because I don't see any tacos or taco shells.
Yes, it'll be a taco bowl.
It'll be a taco bowl because I'm a dog. I got that dog in me, baby, so I like to eat like a dog out the bowl. Alright, so you can definitely make these in tacos if you want, but it will be a taco bowl.
So we're going to start by cutting up some portobello mushroom caps. We're going to be sauteing them.
I've never seen them pack this many in one. They gave us 5 instead of 4?
Yeah, I know.
Typically there's 4, right?
I know.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Same price though, man.
Alright, we'll take it.
Had to get them. So we're going to start by chopping up our portobello mushrooms in strips, sauteing them along with some bell pepper and onion. We'll be making some refried black beans with another one of our onions and some garlic. And then the sauce for the peppers is going to be made from Chipotle peppers, as the name suggests. And I'll also be making a cilantro crema sauce with cilantro, some cashews, and some lime juice.
Awesome. Lovely. I love taco bowls, and I'm sure many of you do as well. Might as well have the healthy version that tastes even better than you would get at the restaurant. Give it a try. We will see you momentarily for meal number 5. Meal number 5 for us is going to be butternut squash and lentil curry. Alright, here's the beautiful lentil butternut squash curry in the Instant Pot, some rice under it. Woo! Smells delicious. I love to hear, because if this is the first time you've been to the channel, you won't know this, but if you've seen more than one video, you will know that I love curry. We love Indian, we love African, we love so many different types of foods. That's why we are the superior channel to get your meal ideas from, okay?
Okay, so this is going to be an Instant Pot one. I know it's not quite squash season, but I love butternut squash, so I figured this would be a fun one to do. So we're going to start by sauteing onion, garlic, and jalapeno in the Instant Pot, and then we'll throw in our chopped butternut squash, lentils, coconut milk, and some water or vegetable broth. Top it off with some lime juice, and then once it's done cooking, we're going to stir in some baby spinach.
Awesome.
Serve it out over top of rice, of course.
Lovely. We will see you momentarily for our 6th and final meal of the week. We typically make anywhere from 4 to 6 meals a week. If we have a busy schedule and we are traveling, it's usually 4. If we have a normal week, like this week, we'll have 6, and then that 7th day is just some sort of leftovers or whatever's left in the cabinet, or we'll go out to eat. Alright, we'll see you momentarily for our 6th and final meal of the week. Alright. Yeah, this is our 6th and final meal of the week. And sometimes the inspiration just comes naturally. I'll just passively say something like, I haven't had a Burger King Whopper in some time, or spicy nuggets from Wendy's. And yeah, those were kind of examples that we've had in the past. But now this is one that I mentioned the other day that we both used to love, broccoli cheddar soup from Panera.
Yep.
And we've done broccoli cheddar soup in the past years. And it might even be on our channel somewhere.
Possibly.
We made too many videos now at this point. It's hard for me to remember that many weeks. But the point being that we wanted some broccoli cheddar soup. Alright, we got that broccoli cheddar soup. Oh yeah, a little bit of peas in there. Lovely. Got the broccoli in the soup, and then you got the charred broccoli on top of the soup. Come on. Come on. And it's high protein, and it's healthy. Good calories, baby. We like to take it and find the healthiest option available of how can we make this delicious meal be healthy and nutritious and delicious. And Chrissy's going to explain to you how she's going to accomplish that.
Okay, so our cheesy sauce is going to be made from almond milk, chickpeas, cashews, which you already saw,
High protein.
lemon juice, and then the red bell pepper and garlic. We're actually going to be roasting in the oven before you throw it into the blender with all the other ingredients. So it'll be roasted red pepper and roasted garlic in there. Super tasty. Nutritional yeast for that cheesiness. We already have tons of it in the cabinet, so it's not shown here. And then for the actual soup, or sauteing an onion, half of the broccoli will be eaten by Eric right now. Now half the broccoli will be thrown in to the soup to be boiled. And then the other half we're actually going to throw in the oven to be roasted, so it's going to have a nice like char to it. And I don't know, if I'm feeling interesting, maybe I'll throw some frozen peas in here.
That'd be good.
That's about it.
Yeah, then we have the bread.
And we have
Panera bread.
a French baguette.
Yeah, we should have actually went to Panera and got the bread. I just don't know if it's vegan or not. I'm sure we can find that out pretty easily, and I'm sure they are. But we did not stop because we didn't want to make extra stop, but you certainly can if you want to feel the full experience of the Panera bread broccoli cheddar soup. But that does sadly conclude our video. But fortunately for you, we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, who knows how many that you can go watch right now, binge watch, see what looks good. We show you presentations, tell you if we actually liked it or not, which if we posted it, typically we do. Go find yourself some recipes and get after it in the kitchen, baby. We're going to send you off with a flex for the outro, because we are not vegans that are weak and frail. We are vegans that are jacked, baby. Yeah! None of this lethargic, lame nonsense. We are going to send you off with some positive energy, all right? Ready? Ah! Let's go! Jack, baby. Ah!
All right, one of these days we just make all the recipes that are like on here.
True. That would be a mango mint green smoothie.
I know, right?
All right.
I was reading that.
Till next time.
What?